Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can disconnect Steam account from FACEIT. So make sure you watch the tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. It's very easy and simple. What you need to do is just go to your website and you need to type in FACEIT and you need to go to faceit.com, and over here, once you're here, you need to go to this profile and you need to go to account settings, and once you press on account settings, you just gotta scroll down and you'll see personal details and everything, and right over here you just gotta find linked accounts or integrations, and right over here you'll see in integrations you'll see your Steam. So obviously it's not connected for me, but if it was, it would have showed my Steam account and it would show a option to disconnect. So you just instead of connect, it would be disconnect. So you just need to press on disconnect and you're good to go. That's how you can disconnect Steam from FACEIT. So yeah, I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.